Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to save your Google download your data. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail account, tap on this. You can see that your profile icon, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on your manage your Google account. Scroll down a little bit. You can see here data and privacy, tap on this. Scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that download your data, tap on this. Next you tap this. So next scroll down a little bit. You will receive a notification once your data is ready for download. That is it. You have successfully learned how to download your Gmail data on an Android phone. Tap on next step. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my channel.